President Uhuru Kenyatta asked Kenyans to stop what he termed as judicial activism and allow the state to implement new tax measures in order to finance and improve service delivery. The president's remarks come on the back of many court rulings that have stopped the implementation of some proposed tax measures, weakening the taxman's efforts to raise revenue and cut budget deficit. Victor Kiprop reports.
In the space of just 1 week in the month of September this year, the Kenya Revenue Authority KRA suffered a double blow in its quest to raise revenue collections in the country. On the 20th of September, KRA's attempts to expand the tax base by having loss-making companies who have not been paying corporate tax to pay a 1% minimum tax on their annual turnover was declared as unconstitutional by Justice George Odunga. A week later, the taxman's plan to increase excise duty on petroleum products by 4.97% in line with the average annual inflation was also suspended at the High Court. And now, the head of state is not happy.
I wish to call on all parties to stop judicial activism and allow us to proceed with the measures that we have put in place, that have been approved by Parliament, and to allow Kenyans to be beneficiaries in this year of recovery, of improved revenue collections, and ultimately improved service delivery.
While KRA has registered increased collections in the first quarter of this financial year, the setbacks in the implementation of the tax measures takes a toll on the plans to grow revenue collections to fund the budget and cut the widening deficit.
The amount we expected from those taxes, I think from excise tax adjustment was about 3.7 billion, and from the minimum tax, it was going well above 20 billion. If we do not implement those two taxes, we are going to significantly dent our fiscal space. As a country, it means that we are not going to be able to fund certain objectives that the government has set out to do.
In the last financial year, KRA defied the negative effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and collected 1.67 trillion shillings against a target of 1.65 trillion shillings, a performance it hopes to replicate in this financial year, where it is targeting to collect 1.8 trillion shillings in ordinary revenue. Victor Kiprop, NTV Business.